7 is left.
Okay, well, judge is here, so we'll just wait on that.
Okay.
Ms. Garrett, I don't think we're first, so you can just go ahead and cut your video off until he calls our case, okay?
Okay, thank you.
This is call number 2012-58505 in the interest of Isaac and Ivan Garza. All parties and witnesses, please raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
All right, are you on? Turn on your video, ma'am.
Okay, let me see how I can turn my video on. Oh, there it goes.
There you are. Yeah. All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to these children.
Naomi Lucio Hernandez. I am the mother of Isaac and Ida Garza.
All right, and for the state?
Kavita Sharma for the state, Your Honor.
Order note that Israeli Garza is the non-custodial parent. He's not present. He was served on December 2nd. Presumably 2020. At the Walls unit in Walker County. Huntsville, Texas. And he's not filed an answer or made an appearance, is that correct?
That is
No, sir.
Your Honor.
We'll proceed by default.
Yes, Judge. I would like to call Miss Naomi Hernandez.
All
Oh,
right.
before that, Judge, would you take judicial notice of the non-agreed child support review order that was signed on April the 1st, 2013?
All right.
Thank you. Ms. Hernandez, in that prior order I just mentioned, support was set at $240 a month in child support for 2 children, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And $75 a month in medical support.
Yes, ma'am.
As of, let me see here. As of September 30th, there is a judgment amount in the amount of $47,509.20. Does that sound about right to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you received any payments from the other parent in this?
No, ma'am.
And is there also a medical support judgment in the amount of $10,226.90?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you know where the other parent is located?
He is incarcerated as of right now.
Because he's incarcerated, are you asking the court to set child support at $0 for?
Do you understand that the court's going to set child support at $0 because he is incarcerated? Do you understand
Yes,
that?
sir.
All
Yes,
right.
sir. I understand that.
And also the cash medical support. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead, Ms. Sharma. She's not asking.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you, Judge, for that clarification. And Ms. Hernandez, at the time this order was set, you had 2 children. And since then, we are here for only 1 child, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sorry about that, Ms. Hernandez. Judge, I have no further questions for this witness. We would just ask that you would approve the order as submitted, and Ms. Hernandez has signed this order.
All right, Ms. Hernandez, are you asking me to approve this order?
Yes, sir.
All right, the court will approve the order submitted. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. May we be excused?
Yes.
Thank you.
Ms. Garrett,
Oh,
go ahead.
hold on. On the Israeli Garza, I didn't realize there was a notice of the Zoom hearing, in which I'll amend my. Let me see if I can pull it up.
Yes, Judge, and it was delivered to the reception at the
I
jail
understand. I'm going to edit
Garza is being held.
my entry. No answer. And further notice of this Zoom hearing. By certified mail return receipt requested, and that was delivered on September 30th, 2021. All right. And Ms. Sharma, really the question should have been more like we were only dealing with the child asset. Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Just a little more delicately. All right. Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Yes.
Ms. Garrett, if you
Trujillo.
can, Ms. Garrett, if you can go ahead and unmute yourself and come on camera, please.
Ms. Hernandez, you're free to hang up and disconnect from the meeting.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's saying that the host has stopped my video. You cannot
Okay.
start your video. Okay, thank you.
You.
All right. This is cause number 2012-18269 in the interest of Summer and Carter Miles. All parties and witnesses, please raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the children.
Crystal Garrett, I'm their mother.
All right, and for the state?
Sade Parker, Your Honor.
Court will note that the non-custodial parent is Josh John Miles III. Mr. Miles was personally served on April 17th, 2021 at 10:49 a.m. He's not filed an answer or made an appearance, Ms. Parker?
Yes, Your Honor, that's correct.
All right, we will proceed by default.
Thank you, Your Honor. The state would like for you to will request for you to take judicial notice of the order in suit. The order entitled "Order in Suit for Modification of Child Support Obligation" that was signed on February 11th of 2015.
2016.
15, Your Honor, 15.
15. All right, hold on just a second. Look at that. This is order. Order and a suit for modification of child support obligation, filed
Yes, Your Honor.
February 10th, 2015, and signed February 11th, 2015. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Your Honor. And Your Honor, the state would also like to enter into evidence State's Exhibit A, which is an updated pay record. I have emailed that pay record to Ms. Garrett.
Ms. Garrett, have you had an opportunity to look at the financial activity report, pay record?
Yes, sir. That's why I had a question about the monthly amount they were trying to assign.
Well, are we not in agreement on this default, Ms. Parker?
No, Your Honor, we are in agreement. We are in agreement on the default.
Is there, did you have some question about the pay record, Ms. Garrett?
Yes, sir. I had told Ms. Parker, and like I told her, if the 528 is the best they can do, I understand that. But like I told her, if you look at the pay records, you could see the big monthly amount payments he has been making. Not, on top of $295 every 2 weeks, there were also additional like thousands of dollars amounts, which lets me also believe that Mr. Miles can pay more than the 528 that they're asking. And I have also spoken with the oldest child's mother, and she was also receiving these big payment amounts.
Ma'am, okay, I'm just talking about the pay record. Have you had an opportunity to look at the pay record?
Yes, sir.
All right. Do you have any objections to me entering the pay record and to evidence?
No, sir.
All right, State's Exhibit A is admitted. Go ahead,
Thank you,
Ms.
Your
Parker.
Honor. Ms. Garrett, in the previous order, were you the person that was entitled to receive child support?
Yes.
And in that previous order, beginning on March 1st, 2015, the child support amount was to be $295, correct?
Yes.
And also in that order, you were the person that was entitled to receive the medical support in the amount of $96 per hour $96 per month beginning on March 1st of 2015.
Yes.
And at this time, you're asking the court to take a judgment against Mr. Miles in the amount of $575.18 as of September 30th, 2021, and for that judgment to be paid back at $53 per month beginning on November 1st, 2021.
Yes.
You're also
Okay, you broke up.
Yes.
You're on and off, Ms. Parker. Are you there? You're freezing.
Your Honor, yeah,
Okay,
no,
you're
I'm
freezing.
here.
Ms. Parker.
Okay.
I didn't hear any of that because the internet connection was unstable. Can you ask that question again?
Okay, Ms. Garrett, you're requesting that this court take a child support judgment against Mr. Miles in the amount of $575.18 as of September 30th, 2021, to be paid back at $53 per month beginning on November 1st, 2021.
Yes.
Okay. You're also requesting that a medical support judgment in the amount of $1,416.82 as of September 30th, 2021 be taken against Mr. Miles to be paid back at $58 per month.
Yes.
And to your knowledge, does Mr. Miles have any other children that either currently live with him that are under the age of 18 or that he has child support orders for?
Yes.
How many other children?
3.
And currently, how are your children covered for health insurance?
They both have Medicaid.
Okay. And you're requesting, in this case, that you understand that cash medical support will be set in the amount of $75 per month beginning November 1st of 2021.
Yes.
Okay. And you also understand that the child support in the amount of $528 will begin on November 1st of 2021.
Yes.
Okay. And in your previous order, both you and Mr. Miles's addresses and phone number information was not disclosed. And you're requesting that in this order, both your information also not be disclosed.
Yes,
Okay. And are you requesting that the court approve this default order?
yes.
Your Honor, I have no further questions for this witness.
Have any other witnesses?
Yes, Your Honor. The state would like to call Natasha Bidu.
All right, Ms. Bidu.
Ms. Bidu, where are you currently employed?
The Office of the Attorney General, Child Support Division.
And what is your position there?
I'm a child support officer.
And what are the natures and duties of a child support officer?
To investigate non-custodial parent wage information and calculate child support per Texas Family Code.
And in this case, did you have an opportunity to conduct an investigation?
Yes.
And what were your findings?
The non-custodial parents gross income $3,374.38, given credit for 3 outside children. Child support should be set at $528 with the medical support at $75.
Your Honor, I have no further questions for this witness.
Ms. Garrett, do you have any questions of Ms. Bidu?
Looking at the payment records that have been given, I'm just trying to figure out where the other money, because when I receive my statements, it says it's coming from his workplace. So I'm just trying to figure out where the other money is coming from with those large lump sums of payments that have been coming in.
Okay, you don't have any proof that he's making anything more than what Ms. Bidu says that he's making, is that correct?
I mean, other than the payment records that are coming in from the child support office, no.
Okay, I mean, you're just guessing that maybe he makes more money because he makes some big payments, right?
Correct. He's made payments in the amount of $1,700 in 1 month a couple of times.
All right. Well, I'll have to go with whatever Ms. Bidu found because that's the only proof that we have of what he's making, and I will approve the order as submitted. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. Okay.
Thank you.
You're free to leave, Ms. Garrett.
Okay. Well,